How to add tasks in bulk and manage them. Bulk task creation saves time by streamlining repetitive processes, ensuring consistency, and enhancing organization. For example, if you need a manager to call all clients with pending organizers, you can efficiently create tasks in bulk. Start by filtering the client list using the Pending Organizer filter. Once applied, select all clients, click More Actions, and choose Create Task. On the task creation page, provide the necessary details. Assign the manager to notify them of the tasks, name the task, set its priority, choose a status, and define a due date. Additionally, you can select a task template, add a description, assign tags, set a schedule for recurring tasks, and create a to-do list as subtasks. The assigned team member will receive a task reminder 3 days before the due date. Once tasks are created, you'll be directed to the Tasks tab on the Workflow page where you can view and filter tasks. If you need to reassign a task, simply click the assignee's name and select a new person. Alternatively, you can select multiple tasks and use the Edit option to modify their details collectively. Completed tasks will automatically move from the Pending tab to the Completed tab, keeping your workflow organized.